Schedule seasonal HVAC maintenance now to prevent costly failures and preserve system efficiency. Begin every year before the cooling season with a full cleaning and functional test of the system. Start by turning power off at the breaker and remove and inspect access panels to look for loose wiring or burned connections. Then restore power and verify the blower and compressor start and run smoothly. Clean or replace filters every 1 to 3 months depending on occupancy and indoor air quality. And when in doubt, choose the tighter micron rating that your system supports for better particulate capture. Clear and wash outdoor coils gently with a low-pressure hose and coil cleaner mid-season to maintain heat transfer, and check for bent fins that can be straightened with a fin comb. Measure refrigerant pressures and temperatures using proper gauges and thermometers to confirm levels match manufacturer specifications, and correct with professional service if you find significant deviations. Lubricate motors and inspect belts and pulleys for wear, replacing any components that show cracking or glazing to avoid sudden failures. 3 common issues include clogged or neglected filters that restrict airflow, refrigerant undercharge or overcharge, and dirty outdoor coils that reduce efficiency and trigger short cycling. For restricted airflow, change or clean filters promptly and evaluate whether higher capacity filters require blower adjustments. If refrigerant readings are abnormal, do not add refrigerant without diagnosing leaks first. Call a qualified technician to locate and repair leaks, and then charge to the correct specification. For dirty coils, schedule a mid-season coil wash and clear vegetation and debris around the condenser to restore airflow and heat exchange. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project experiences and recommendations. Our community discussion area helps us ask questions, compare approaches, and find contractors who have completed similar seasonal maintenance work.